Okay, and question 7 continues with the second excerpt we mentioned in our previous video. Again, going to hear it 4 times. This time it asks you for 7D what the instrument that's playing the melody is, which is obviously different to the family of instruments that we hear described in the 7A question. So it's asking for a specific instrument worth 1 mark, and you can see here that the correct response is oboe. Then we've only got one more question, which is again a short response worth 4 marks, with the usual spelling, punctuation, grammar things that we've seen in previous questions. And there's quite a substantial list of things that you could have pointed out, including the wonderful response of any other valid point. So as long as you're right, you get marks here. So you can pick out that there are independent parts, so the parts move away from each other, so that probably implies a polyphonic texture. The strings play arco, that means they're played with a bow. A different point in the extract, they play pizzicato, which means they're plucked. There are detached, perhaps staccato notes and chords. There are, contrasting to that, sustained notes and chords, presumably related to the pizzicato and arco nature of the playing. That there's a pedal. In other words, the chords change above a maintained note in the bass. There are octaves, which presumably is referring to harmonic intervals, so there being 1 and 8 at the same time, rather than referring to melodic octaves, which is 1 and then 8, and of course the any other valid point. So the suggested answer they've given here is there's a mixture of detached notes and sustained notes. There is a pedal, and at times instruments playing in octaves. So there's 1 mark, 2 marks, 3 marks, 4 marks created there. And of course spelling and punctuation being excellent keeps it into the 3 to 4 band. So that's all of question 7 taken care of. There you go. Take care.